Have you ever thought about how your financial health might be affecting your physical well-being? This question might make you pause, and rightfully so, because the connection between the two isn't always clear-cut. However, it's an important link to understand, especially in our modern world, where financial security and health are both significant aspects of our lives. Let's start by unraveling the concept of financial health. It's not just about how much money you have in your bank account. Rather, it's a more holistic view, encompassing your savings, investments, debts, and overall ability to manage your finances effectively. Good financial health means you're able to meet your current and future financial obligations, feel secure about your financial future, and have the freedom to make choices that enable you to enjoy life. Now, how does this tie into your physical health? Well, financial stress. The kind that comes when you're living paycheck to paycheck, burdened by debt, or unsure of your financial future, can lead to a host of physical health issues. It's not uncommon for people under financial stress to experience hypertension, insomnia, and even depression. How does this happen? You see, when you're under stress, your body goes into a fight or flight mode. This response triggers a rush of hormones that increase your heart rate, blood pressure, and blood sugar levels. While this response is helpful in short-term, life-threatening situations, ongoing stress keeps your body in this heightened state for a prolonged period, leading to various health issues. Moreover, financial stability plays a crucial role in your overall well-being. When you're financially secure, you're more likely to afford a healthier lifestyle. Think nutritious food, regular exercise, preventative healthcare, and leisure activities. These elements not only contribute to physical health but also to mental well-being. So financial and physical health, although seemingly different, are intertwined in ways you may not have considered. This interplay is a crucial aspect of our lives, and understanding it is the first step towards improving both your financial and physical health. Stay with us as we delve deeper into this intriguing connection in the upcoming scenes. Let's delve deeper. How exactly can financial stress manifest in our bodies? Money worries can take a toll on our physical well-being in ways we might not even realize. When we're grappling with financial stress, our bodies often respond by entering a state of constant alertness, or what's scientifically known as the fight-or-flight response. This heightened state of stress can lead to a range of health issues. One of the most common physical responses to financial stress is high blood pressure. This is because when we're stressed, our bodies release a surge of hormones, causing our hearts to beat faster and our blood vessels to constrict. Over time, this increased pressure on our cardiovascular system can lead to heart disease, one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Financial stress can also have a significant impact on our mental health. It's not uncommon for individuals under financial strain to experience symptoms of anxiety and depression. In fact, a study published in the American Journal of Public Health found that individuals who struggle with financial stress are 2.5 times more likely to suffer from mental health problems. The most concerning aspect of financial stress is its potential to become a chronic issue. When stress becomes a constant presence in our lives, it can lead to long-term health complications. These may include issues like chronic insomnia, a weakened immune system, and even certain types of cancer. But it's not all doom and gloom. The good news is that by recognizing these potential health impacts, we're taking the first step towards mitigating them. And remember, it's never too late to make changes in our lives that promote both financial and physical health. As we can see, the implications of financial stress on our physical health can be far-reaching. But what about the other side of the coin? How does financial stability contribute to healthier choices? It's a question that merits thoughtful exploration. Financial stability, like a sturdy keel, keeps our life ship steady, allowing us to navigate the sea of choices with a clearer mind and a more confident hand. Financially stable individuals have the luxury of options. They can afford to fill their shopping carts with fresh, nourishing foods, rather than cheaper, processed alternatives. This is no small matter, as diet plays a pivotal role in our overall health. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains fuels the body, wards off disease, and promotes longevity. Then, there's the fitness aspect. Financial stability can open doors to gym memberships, personal trainers, and wellness classes. Regular physical activity is essential for maintaining a healthy weight, reducing the risk of chronic diseases, and promoting mental well-being. Moreover, financial stability facilitates access to regular health checkups. Preventive health care is a crucial part of maintaining good health. Regular screenings can catch potential issues early when they're most treatable, and regular visits with healthcare professionals can help manage ongoing health conditions. Financial stability also makes mental health services more accessible. It's important to remember that physical health and mental health are intertwined. Stress, anxiety, and depression can all take a toll on the body, leading to chronic conditions like heart disease and diabetes. Access to mental health services can help individuals manage these issues, promoting a healthier, happier life. In a nutshell, financial stability doesn't just shield us from the negative impacts of financial stress. It empowers us to make proactive choices for our health. It allows us to invest in ourselves, in the foods we eat, the way we move, and the care we receive. It gives us the freedom to prioritize our health, to put ourselves first in a society that often demands we put everything else before our own well-being. Financial stability doesn't just relieve stress. It allows us to make choices that directly benefit our physical health. So, what practical steps can we take to improve both our financial and physical health? Let's start with financial health. First and foremost, develop a budget. It's a tool that gives you control over your money, helping you understand where every cent is going. It might seem tedious, but it brings clarity and can reduce financial stress significantly. Next, make saving a priority. Even setting aside a small portion of your income can accumulate into a substantial nest egg over time. Consider automatic transfers to savings for a hassle-free approach. Investing is another critical step. It's not just for the wealthy. Anyone can start investing with a modest amount. It's about making your money work for you, growing your wealth over time. Though it may seem complex, there's plenty of resources available to learn the basics. If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't hesitate to seek financial advice. Financial advisors can provide guidance tailored to your specific situation, helping you navigate the often confusing world of finance. Now let's switch gears to physical health. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and mental health care are the cornerstones of maintaining good physical health. Regular exercise keeps your body strong, improves heart health, and boosts your mood. It doesn't have to be a marathon or a heavy gym session. A brisk walk, a dance class, or a yoga session can work wonders. A balanced diet fuels your body with the necessary nutrients. Emphasize fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. It's not about deprivation, but about nourishing your body. And let's not forget about mental health. Stress, anxiety, and depression can take a toll on your physical health. Seek professional help if needed, practice mindfulness, and make time for activities that bring you joy. Remember, improving financial health isn't just about amassing wealth, but about reducing stress and promoting better physical health. It's a journey, not a race. Improving our financial health can seem daunting, but every step, no matter how small, brings us closer to better physical health. Let's recap what we've learned about the link between financial and physical health. We've delved into the intriguing world where finance and health intersect, unraveling the complex web of connections that bind these two seemingly disparate aspects of our lives. We discussed how financial stress can have a significant impact on physical health. The strain and anxiety of financial instability can lead to a host of health issues, from sleep disturbances to high blood pressure and even heart disease. It's clear that the stress of money-related issues can take a toll on our bodies in ways we may not even realize. We also examined the role of financial stability in enabling us to make healthier lifestyle choices. With a stable financial footing, we're more likely to afford nutritious food, join a gym, and even take time for rest and relaxation. Financial stability can be a foundation for a healthier lifestyle, giving us the freedom to make choices that nurture our bodies and minds. Moreover, we explored actionable steps to improve both financial and physical health. From setting a budget and saving for emergencies to adopting a balanced diet and regular exercise, these steps can help us gain control over our finances and our health. Remember, it's not about making drastic changes overnight, but rather about making small, consistent improvements that add up over time. In essence, we've seen how closely intertwined our financial and physical health truly are. They feed into each other in a symbiotic relationship, each influencing and being influenced by the other. As we conclude, it's important to reflect on this interconnectedness and recognize that as we strive to improve our financial health, we are also making strides towards better physical health. It's a journey of balance, and every step we take towards financial stability is a step towards a healthier, more fulfilled life. Remember, your financial health is just as important as your physical health. By taking steps to improve one, you're also enhancing the other. Take care of both and you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier life.